it's Kelly, and I have a Tuesday morning haul. So my closest Tuesday morning is only about an hour, well, it's about an hour away from me, not only, but I get into the big city near there on a fairly frequent basis, usually a couple of times a month, but it doesn't usually have very much. It has a scrapbooking supply area, but not a lot. However, I was there just yesterday when I'm taping this video or recording this video, and they had a ton of good stuff. Old product for sure, but good stuff. So I thought I'd start out with the paper first, and this is the Everyday Eclectic paper kit here, and it's by Allison Craft. It's Echo Park, and it was $5.99. And the number on this one is 1972493 if you're interested in that. I know you can get these at like Hobby Lobby for I think $9.99, but I love this collection. It's one of my all-time favorite collections, and I saw it for basically $6 and decided it would be mine for that. Next, from Echo Park, I have this Go See Explore paper kit from Lori Whitlock, and I didn't tell you this, but the kit contains, and the same thing with Everyday Eclectic, 12 by 12 double-sided papers and 2 by 12 element sticker sheet, and then I'm trying to think, yeah, 2 by 12 element sticker sheet, and then usually it has like 3 by 4 and 4 by 6 cards in it as part of that 12 by 12 paper. Anyway, so Go See Explore by Lori Whitlock, and this was also $5.99, and the number here is 2055938. I just love the navy and red and yellow, green, all those kind of primary colors with a couple secondary colors in there, and thought it would be great for some trips. I plan on taking a big trip this summer, but you know, I do little trips from time to time going away with friends, so this should be fun. And I still have not scrapped all of my trip to Philadelphia and Washington, D.C. from last fall actually either. This one is also from Echo Park. It is another paper kit. It's the Spring paper kit. And it also has 12 by 12 double-sided paper and a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet for $5.99 again. This one is 2055945. And I actually, oh, and I don't know if you can see that. Sorry, guys. There you go. I bought this paper in smaller, like by the piece, last spring. And so it's going to be nice to have some more. I don't know that I have the sticker sheet with that. Another one by Echo Park, again with the 12 by 12 double-sided papers, or 12 by 12 double-sided papers and the Element Alpha sticker sheet. This is the Happy Easter, and I love this collection. I've used this Easter collection 2 years in a row. So this one, I'm making sure you can see that, is $5.99 again, and it's 2055939 is the number for that one. All right, then I bought this Dear Lizzie paper pad. So it's $6.99 and it has 36 papers, and sorry guys, I forgot to open this. Some of them actually do have gold on them as well. And I'm just looking for my craft knife. There it is. Some of them have gold on them as well. I did not get this collection when it was out, and so I don't really know when this collection came out. I'll take a look in a second and see if I can find it for us on here. But it's really pretty, and just a lot of pretty florals, bright, definitely springy looking colors. Let me see if I can find a year on this. 2017, so this must have been spring 2 years ago. So this is probably 2 years old. But anyway, so there's all the patterns. Good patterns. This will also work with, I think, the Fine and Dandy. If you happen to have any Fine and Dandy embellishments left over, it'll work with that. Again, 36 papers. This was $6.99. It's priced at $19.99, which it would have been. And the number on this is 66850. If not, it's 2055850. So it's hard to read that one. Anyway, I'll just do a really quick flip through. I'm not going to show everything here. Ooh, ice cream cones. I love it when there's ice cream cones because, you know, I like to scrapbook ice cream. So there's the oh, this is a collection that mermaid was in. Ooh, love that. So, and there's some of the gold. This is pretty. It's turquoise with a little bit of a heart. So, and just a yellow. So lots of good pattern papers that you can use a lot of. This is another really pretty one with the gold on it. More gold. So there's only one of each paper in here. So that's pretty cool that you get 36 different papers. So that a lot of times you don't get that in the paper pad. And then my final paper purchase was a huge paper purchase. So this is the Simple Stories Wood and Gingham Basics paper pad here. And the reason I bought this is I have quite a few Simple Stories collections. Most notably, I have a couple of summer collections from them. And I have the like journaling cards or 4x6 cards and 4x4 cards and 3x4 cards left, and a few of the pattern papers, but I don't have any of the solids left. And when I saw this, I knew that this would work with those because it's got like paintbrushed, it has gingham, it has wood, and then a larger like plaid in all of those colors. So these go with all the Simple Stories colors here. So I'm very excited about this. And let me flip through. It looks like you're getting looks like you're getting a lot of each one here actually. So at least 2, and I think some of these, like this one, there's 3 of them. So lots, that one there was 3 of them. So there's a lot of paper in here. It looks like you're getting 3 of each actually. So huge paper pad. It says 180 sheets. Oh yeah, 180 sheets here. So it was $5.99. So it was as much as those paper kits were just for this simple pad. And, you know, obviously this is going to go with lots of things other than Simple Stories. So I'm really excited about this purchase. So this again is $5.99, and the number here is 2078696. And this thing is heavy, guys. So that was my paper purchase. And now for the embellishment purchase, because I was a bad girl, but I got a lot of stuff for a very low price. So I bought these stickers. These are the American Crafts Beautiful stickers, and they're in gold, and they have words and also icons as well too. So really cute. I don't know what collection this went with. Maybe Amy Tangerine, but I don't know that for sure. Oh, and I'm missing an M here. I didn't even notice that, and there was more than one. So I guess I won't be spelling the word charmed out now that I look at that. So, but, and, you know, hey, if that's all I'm missing, no big deal. But anyway, so this is $2.19, and the number on that is 2042043. And then I bought a couple packs of thickers. And I love red, so it's nice that they had these. These are the reindeer thickers in, it just doesn't have a color name. It's just, they're just red. And they were $1.99. So they're a little bit of a thinner chipboard than normal, but that's fine with me. You just don't get as much of, you know, they're not as thick, so you don't get as much weight on your page and all of that. The number on these is 1982425. Then I bought these thickers. These are the Dear Lizzie Treasure Thickers, and I don't have a color name on this one, but I know there was like a green and a peachy color, and these seem to be holding up pretty well because my other two kinds of these are falling off. Now they are here, but it's not too bad. And they're a really pretty kind of yellow. They're light. It's hard to tell, I think, in this light because they almost look green. I had to really look, but they are a light yellow, a color that does not exist in my thickers, so that's pretty cool. And I love these because they have kind of a chunky glitter, but it's sort of a medium chunk. It's not really hugely chunky. Again, $1.99 for these, and the number is 1967137. There's a new Tuesday morning that's going to open up fairly quickly in my area, and I'm kind of psyched about that deal. All right, next I found these Bo Bunny doilies for $1.49, and there's 20 doilies in here. They're a really nice weight. They remind me very much of the Wilton doilies. I should grab those. Yeah, I mean, they're the same thing. So I found these at Goodwill one day for 99 cents, but they're not, you know, they're a lot more than that normally. So it's exactly the same thing as those are. So you know where their suppliers are the same. Number on these is 2057439. So these are 6-inch doilies by Bo Bunny. So that's a good find. I can always use white 6-inch doilies. Then I found just a bunch of miscellaneous embellishments from different collections. Things that, and some of these I'm going to have to look up because I don't know what they are. You know, I know like this is a collection I recognize, but I can't tell you off the top of my head what, oh, it's Hustle and Heart is the collection that these come from. So these are enamel stickers, but they look like they're metallic looking if they're not metallic. So there's 6 of them in there. They're retailed here for $7.99. I bought them at $3.99. I thought they'd be just something fun and different. The number on these is 2052212, and again, that's from the Hustle and Heart collection. And then I bought these stickers, and I don't know what collection these came from, but they're the rubber embellishments. So those are kind of cute. Something different again. I haven't had any rubber embellishments in a while. So there's 14 of these, and these were $2.49. Retail at $5.99. The number here is 2052232. So those will be a fun addition. And then I found these, and I have no idea what collection these came from, but it's Dear Lizzie, and these are resin glitter stickers. They were $2.19 and they retailed at $4.99. So they're pretty thick. You can see that. But I'm okay with some thickness here and there in my books. And they'll go with lots of different things. So there's 6 of those. And they all have some glitter. Some have gold and some have kind of a clear glitter in them. Then I found some puffy stickers there. And these are from Momenta is the name of the company. And they're very, very bright colors. So I don't know that I would use these all on the same layout, but I think they'll be nice and if I distribute them across a few different layouts. And they're a nice big puffy sticker. They're pretty thick again. They're almost as thick as those other, they're butterfly embellishments. But these were $1.19 for all of those pieces. It says 45 pieces here. Now I don't love it when they count like the word smile as 45 pieces because really it's more like 40 pieces, but whatever. And then they've got a number here that they've made into a puffy sticker, which they probably counted. But anyway, so $1.19 for these, and the number is 2053195. So those are really cute. Then I bought these. These are the Jen Hadfield Homemade, the ephemera pack. And I think I already have this ephemera pack, but I have a ton of this paper. So I thought it would be good if I bought the another ephemera pack just to make sure that lasts a little bit longer. And I really need to get scrapbooking more with this collection. So there's 40 pieces in here. And, oh, here it is. It was $1.99. So what these things are usually $4 or $5. So yeah, $4.99. So I bought them for less than half the price. The number on this is 2079156. And there's a preview of what's in there, just because I'm not going to take them all apart. Then I found some pieces. I still have quite a bit of Snow and Cocoa left, which was a crepe paper line from 2 years ago, I think. Looking to see if it gives a year on here. Oh, yeah. 2016. So, yeah, I guess it would be 2 years ago. It would have been Christmas 2 years ago. So these are the paper clips with little rubber embellishments on it. So I don't know if I'll take them off the clips or leave them on the clips, but I have a lot of Snow and Cocoa left, and chipboard and all sorts of other things. So these were only $1.19. And the number on this is 2064818. So that's a cute thing. And then I found this Vicky Boutin embellishment kit from one of her collections. And I think I actually even have the ephemera, the die cut ephemera from these. I know I do, because it kind of goes with that whole Paper House collection that was really bright and colorful, and I can't remember the name of it. Color Wash, I think, or something like that was one of the collections. But these will go great with that. So these are, they were priced at $6.99. Yowza, yeah. And I saw these in my scrapbook store, but I wouldn't pay it. But now that it's down to $2.99, so $3, I'm okay with that. So this is 2037062. Lots of cute pieces here. And then I found this, and they had this in, this is rose gold, but they also had it in gold and silver, and I debated, I don't really need the gold because I have plenty of gold washi. I did think about the silver, but I did not do it, although I might go back and get that the next time I'm in that area. I'll be around that area probably next Friday again. So there are 8 rolls of washi tape here, and you know, nice colors, and they're not colors, nice patterns here, different patterns. And I only have, I think I have one other piece of rose gold, but this goes with lots of different things too. So anyway, this was $3.99, and the number is 2006418. And then last but not least, I found some gold Heidi Shine. And I just saw somebody post about this on one of the Facebook message boards, that she broke her spending freeze for this. So these 3 sprays were $4.99. And I think Chamel may have used this particular one with her Christmas kits. But $4.99, and you get a 1 ounce of the gold here, plus you get this really pretty citron and teal as well. This was $4.99. It retailed for $12.99, but $4.99, and the number on this is 2074880. So that is my haul, guys. I'm going to try to get this video up as soon as possible. My laptop died, and I am having an awful time with editing software because Windows was corrupted, and when it was reloaded, I was using Movie Maker, and they don't support it anymore, so I cannot download it to get it up, and I haven't found anything. That program was pretty intuitive. The one I'm using or trying to use now is not. It's very, very complicated. Part of it is that it's new, but it's really complicated. So yikes, guys, hoping to get this up for you pretty quickly. It may not have any fancy stuff on it. And that might just be the way the videos are for a little bit. Anyway, so that was my Tuesday morning haul. Run if you've got a Tuesday morning near you, because they have a lot of good stuff. Bye, everybody.